Okay, so a couple of you guys were asking about the drum sander mounted on the radial arm saw. It's I don't know what to say about it. It's basically hard to film. So I just got these extruded aluminum bars running with a sled, and they're just running on ball bearing wheels. Pretty precise. We get pretty good tolerance coming through here, and dust collection is marginal at best. But this is the way it came from Performax. Use the shop vac on it. At some point, probably modify the shroud here, hook it up to the dust collector, and then right behind me we got a downdraft sanding table, so when I turn the sander on, I just turn the downdraft on first along with the shop vac, and it does okay. And just to give you an idea how it works, I basically just stand over here on the outfeed side with the handle and can pretty much run the whole show from there. So probably be a little noisy. Hold on. And these are just a couple of blanks. Going to match up, do a little board out of those. But that's it. Pretty simple. Works pretty good. Okay, thanks.